guys, it's Alex. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another Halloween video. This is actually my last Halloween video for this year, but I'm going to be doing a pop art zombie. So this is what the makeup looks like. Also, before we hop in, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that big thumbs up, and I'll hop right into the video. First thing that I'm going to do is take a black eyeliner and pretty much outline everything, like the brain, the cuts, the teeth, pretty much everything. After I'm done outlining the mouth, I'm just going to fill in the teeth with that same black eyeliner. Now for the brain, I'm going to make little S's, which I don't know why I put these in, just because they do get covered up with the pink, so I don't know why I added them. And then I'm also going to add a little like drool slime little thing above the brain. Also do that drool line thing below with the teeth. I'm just going to outline my neck. I'm just going to draw a little square and then draw in the bones. And now I'm going to take some pink face paint and apply that to where I applied the brain outline and fill it in. Like I said, the little black lines are going to get covered up. Now to make the brain area a little bit more of a brain color, I'm going to take a hot pink color and apply that over the pink face paint. So now I'm going to take some gray eyeshadow to go over those lines that I make on the brain that got covered up, and also make some lines that go different ways so it looks like more like a brain. Now taking that same pink eyeshadow that I used on the brain to fill in the little wrinkle under my eye. Taking a black lipstick to fill in my nose. Fill in the rest of the body, I'm going to take this light blue face paint and pretty much fill in my whole face. Also blend that light blue face paint down your neck. I'm going to take a detail little brush and go around the mouth, the lips, and also the brain to clean up the blue. Now I'm going to take a light concealer to fill in the teeth. I would recommend using white, but I had white face paint and I don't know where it is, so I decided to use a light concealer. Going to take that pink face paint to fill in the gums. I'm going to take some white eyeshadow to set the teeth. Now I'm going to take that pink eyeshadow again to put it over the pink from my gums. Want to take that black lipstick that I use for my nose to fill in the little holes on the side of my face, and then use my fingers to blend it. I'm going to take some green face paint to fill in the slime / doodle on the brain and also on the teeth. I'm going to fill in the little bone area with the same concealer that I use on my teeth. I'm taking that black lipstick to fill in the little gap beside the bones. Now taking some purple eyeshadow to fill in the cuts on my face. I'm taking that pink face paint again to fill in my eyebrows. And now again, take that pink eyeshadow to put over the pink face paint for my eyebrows. Once again, take that pink eyeshadow to apply that to my lids for my eyeshadow. I'm going to take that black eyeliner that I used at the beginning to fill in the little lines on the under eyes and also the teeth so it's a little bit more defined. And lastly, I'm going to take some black eyeshadow to put under the brain for a shadow. So that was my video for today. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.